Good morning, students. Uh, this is Amit Daya. Today we are going to do an important question of sets. The question is that there is a class in which 35 students is given, and who has taken particular the maths, that total students is 17. Now some students that have maths but not economics, that are 10 students, so that can be written as maths minus a, that equals to 10. Then find the maths, the number of students who are taking both economics as well as the maths, and the number of students we have to find out number of students who has taken the economics but not maths. So this is a very good question. So first of all, you have to write number of students who is taking maths as well as the economics, that is given 35 students. So number of students who has taken the math is 17. Now if I will draw the diagrams, Venn diagram for this question we help out with the help of Venn diagram. That gives us, this is the A, suppose maths, and this is economics. So this part is known as the maths intersection economics. Maths but not economics, it means that part, this is the part, if you like this is the part that shows that maths minus C but not economics, and this part shows that economics but not maths. So how you can find out this intersection of both lies maths as well as the economics? So that can be, इस पूरे मैथ्स के सर्कल में से अगर ये माइनस कर दें, this maths but not economics, we can find out the, so NM we can have number of students who likes the maths is equal to क्या हो सकता है, number of students who likes maths but not economics plus number of students who like both maths as well as the economics. So this is given 17 is equal to, this is given 10 here, 10 plus you have to find out this n into m intersection of E. So you can transpose here 10, then 17 minus 10 is equal to n number of students who likes maths as well as the economics. So 7 is the students who likes maths as well as the economics. So this is first part we did. Now second part, how you are going to do this part, we have to find out economics but not math. So this is very easy question. Now you can find out from here, this is 7, so this is equal to 7, or you can write here number of students A union B can be written is equal to number of students M minus C who likes the maths but not economics plus number of students who likes maths as well as the economics plus number of students who likes economics but not math. This is gives the union. So union students is given 35. So 35 is equal to, that is m minus e is having 10 plus m intersection e, that we find out 7 plus n economics minus math. So 35 is equal to 17 plus number of students economics minus math, then that comes this side. So 35 minus 17, that gives number of students who likes economics but not maths. So there is 35 minus 17, 18, the number of students who likes economics but not maths. So this is the good question. So thank you all.